guys! So today we're going to read one of my all-time favorite books. It's called The Day the Crayons Came Home. And this book is by Drew Daywalt and Oliver Jeffers. The Day the Crayons Came Home. One day Duncan and his crayons were happily coloring together when a strange stack of postcards arrived for him in the mail. Dear Duncan, not sure if you remember me. My name is Maroon Crayon, and you only colored with me to draw a scab, but it's whatever. Anyway, you lost me 2 whole years ago. In the couch, and your dad sat on me and broke me in half. I never would have survived had it not been for Paperclip, who nursed me back to health. I'm finally better, so come get me. And can Paperclip come too? He's kind of really holding me together. Sincerely, your Maroon Crayon. Dear Duncan, no one likes peas. No one even likes the color pea green. So I'm changing my name and running away to see the world. Sincerely, Esteban the Magnificent. Dun dun dun. The crayon formerly known as pea green. Hi Duncan, it's me, Neon Red Crayon. Remember that great vacation we had with your family? Remember how we laughed when we drew a picture of your dad's sunburn? Remember dropping me by the hotel pool when you left? Clearly you do not, because I'm still here. How could you miss me? Anyway, after 8 months of waiting for you to come get me, I guess I'm walking back. Your left behind friend, Neon Red Crayon. Here he is with his bags packed. Duncan, it's us, yellow and orange. We know we used to argue over which one of us was the color of the sun, but guess what? Neither of us want to be the color of the sun anymore. Not since we were left outside and the sun melted us together. You know the real color of the sun? Hot. That's what. We're sorry for arguing. You can make green the color of the sun for all we care. Just bring us home. You're not so sunny, friends. Yellow and orange. Hey, Duncan. I'm sure you don't recognize me after the horrors I have been through. I think I was tan crayon or maybe burnt sienna. I don't know. I can't tell anymore. Have you ever been eaten by a dog and puked up on the living room rug? Because I have. I have been eaten by a dog and puked up on the rug, Duncan, and it's not pretty. Not pretty at all. I'm more carpet fuzz than crayon now. Can you please bring me back? Your undigested friend, Tan, or possibly burnt sienna, Crayon. Dear Duncan, could you please open the front door? I still need to see the world. Sincerely, Esteban the Magnificent. Dun dun dun! See, here's little Esteban. Ready to go save the world. Hey Duncan, remember last Halloween? We told your little brother there was a ghost under the basement stairs. Then we drew that scary stuff on the walls. Sure, was funny when he ran screaming, right? But it wasn't funny when you forgot to take me out of the basement. Please come get me. I'm kind of terrified, horrified, your scared friend, glow-in-the-dark crayon. Dear Duncan, looks like I'm almost home. Been through China, Canada, and France, I think. Just crossing New Jersey by camel now. New Jersey has giant pyramids, right? See you soon. Neon red crayon. P.S. Next stop, the North Pole, I think. Do you all think we have camels in the United States? Especially in New Jersey? Maybe up north? Like near New York? Do we have camels there? I don't know. I don't think we have big pyramids, though. Duncan, does page 8 of Pirates Island ring a bell? Kind of a big payday for Captain Greenbeard there, don't you think? And no bronze or silver in that pile, huh? I told you it'd make me blunt if you colored each coin individually, but you didn't listen, no. I also told you that those crayon sharpeners never work. Did you listen to that? Also, no. Now I can't color anything at all. Your pointless friend, Gold Crayon. Hey Duncan, I've seen the world. It's raining. I'm coming back. Esteban the Magnificent! Dun dun dun! Hi Duncan. You're probably wondering why my head is stuck to your sock. A question I ask myself every day. Well, it's because last week you left me in your pocket and I ended up in the dryer. I landed on your sock and now he's stuck to my head. Can you please come get me? Also, why does everything you wear smell even after it's been washed? Your stinky, sucky, stucky on head buddy, turquoise crayon. P.S. Sock says hi. Dear Mr. Duncan, I know I'm not your crayon. I know I belong to your baby brother. But I can't take him anymore. In the last week alone, he's bitten the top off my head, put me in the cat's nose, drawn on the wall, and tried to color garbage with me. The worst part is he's a terrible artist. I can't tell what he's drawing. I can't tell what his drawings are. Donkeys? Monkeys? Donkey monkeys? Picasso said every child is an artist, but I don't know. I don't think he met your brother. Please rescue me. Your desperate friend, Big Chunky Toddler Crayon. Duncan, greetings from the Amazon rainforest. Making great time. I think I'm almost home. Hello, Duncan. It's me, Brown Crayon. You know exactly why I ran away, buddy. Everyone thinks I get all the great coloring jobs. Candy bars, puppies, ponies, lucky me, right? But they don't know what else you used me to color, do they? I don't think so. The rest of that drawing was great. But did you really need that final brown scribble? I'll come back, but please, let's stick to candy bars, okay? Your very embarrassed friend, Brown Crayon. Do you see this little scribble? I wonder what that could be. Duncan was so sad to learn that all of the crayons he'd lost, forgotten, broken, or neglected over the years. So he ran around gathering them up. But Duncan's crayons were also damaged and differently shaped than they used to be, that he no longer fit that they no longer fit in the crayon box. So Duncan had an idea. He built a place where each crayon would always feel at home. There's no dogs down there, are there? Nope, no turkey either. Oh, you flatter me, but it's not real chocolate. Let's have a party! This one is from my blue period. But it's not really blue, more like lilac. I think that dog is in for us. Ah, there you are. I could use a haircut. Make sure it's straight. Who are you wearing? Oh, I think he goes by Ted. I'm Ted. Looks good, lads. Hope there isn't a metal detector. No, I think everyone's welcome. And then, in Cleveland, I got to hike the Great Wall of China. The end. Alright guys, thank you for reading this book with me. See you later.